This white noise video took me about half an hour to make, and in the last year alone, it has made me $2,303.03. Not bad for half an hour's work. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I made the white noise video, and I'm also going to reveal a few secrets of mine that I use to rank these videos in YouTube to make this kind of passive income. If you want to learn how to do that, stick around and I'll show you right now. The great thing about the method that I'm going to show you in this video is you can do it completely for free. All you really need is a laptop or a computer of any kind. You're going to be using free video editing software, free online graphic design tools, and I'm going to show you where to get the sounds to make these videos so that they won't trigger any copyright problems on YouTube. So I run a number of different YouTube channels, and I tried making one in the meditation and relaxing sound niche. I've had a number of the videos on this channel go viral, and it's making me a very good monthly income. The only real problem with these white noise videos and relaxing sound like rain and forest ambience videos is there is a lot of saturation. There is a lot of people uploading them. If I type in relaxing rain sounds into YouTube and just see what's been uploaded only today, you can have a look here, see that we've currently got a number of live streams going for relaxing rain sounds. These channels have millions of subscribers, and there are heaps of small channels uploading rain videos, 9 hours long, 10 hours long. So I'm going to show you a special way that you can keyword your video as well so that it will rank high in the search results and hopefully get you some more views. All we really need is some audio and a still picture and an editing program to put it all together. As far as the audio goes, I just find it a lot easier today to use TunePocket because these are royalty-free sounds. They're often edited really well, and you can get meditation music and nature sounds that are often 1 hour long. If you don't want to use a paid service like TunePocket, I mean, it's only $99 a year. There is another way you can do it by using freesound.org. I have a whole nother video that I've already made showing you how I edit the sounds and how to find them on freesound.org. That is actually a free site. But for this video, I'm going to grab a sound from TunePocket and I'm going to just do white noise. So here's a great one. This is white noise sound for 1 hour. I'm just going to go with the white noise. I'm going to download that. I will leave a link to TunePocket, and if you want to sign up for that, I would be grateful if you use my affiliate link. It really helps us out here on the channel. When I go over to Canva, I'm going to type in YouTube video so that the image is already the correct size for me. I'm going to create a blank YouTube video. I'm basically just going to make what's going to be the thumbnail as well as the image in the video. So here's an image on Canva of somebody relaxing. I'm just going to download that as a JPEG. Going to change it from video to JPEG, and that's going to be the still image, and then it's going to have my white noise. So we've got our audio, we've got our visual. Now we just have to download CapCut, which is free video editing software for PC and for Mac. So this is I've just opened CapCut and I just drag in my sound into this area here under media, and I also drag in my image. So I drag the sound down first. I'm just going to make this video, like I'll show you how to make it really long, like 10 hours if you like. And then I'm going to drag this image down here. And then I'm going to zoom in by using this little slider here so that I can zoom right in. And then I can actually change the length of that image to match the audio. So if I just wanted a 1 hour long video, I could just export this as it is right now. And I could just go File, Export. And then what I always do is I have the resolution, it automatically has the resolution at 1080p, but I always put the resolution down to 720p because it's not a moving image. It doesn't need to be super high quality. This will make the file a lot smaller. I also use a lower bit rate, and I use a frame rate which is normally set to 30 frames a second. I do 24 frames a second, and that will basically make the file a lot smaller. As it is, it's already going to be 1.6 gigabytes. So these longer video files tend to take up a lot of space. So you're going to have some space. If you're making a 10-hour video, it might be in the order of 10 gigabytes, and you want to make sure that you're not using up all of your internet, although most people do have unlimited internet these days. So if you want to make this an actual 10-hour video, what you do is you click on your audio, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to do whatever copy is. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do Command C. It's Control C on a PC, and then Control V or Command V. And then you basically just pop this on a track right underneath. And then we need to extend the image out. So now this is over 2 hours long, this video. And if I zoom in, I need to do a bit of a crossfade. I haven't found a native crossfade feature in CapCut at the moment. But if I go to the junction right here and then just zoom in there by hitting the plus, I want to get right in as close as I can get. And then what we do is we just overlap these a little bit. And then we do, while we're clicking on this top one here, I'm going to do a fade out of 1 second. And then on this bottom one, I'm going to do a fade in of 1 second. Now let's zoom out a little bit. And then we just want to make sure that those fade outs sort of start and finish at similar times, so you get this effect here. So you just want a smooth transition, and remember, this will only happen once an hour. If you want to make this video 10 hours long, just copy both of those, make sure this is right at the end, and hit paste, and do it again and again, and there we have a 10-hour long video, and then drag this out right here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to make the video actually quite short so that it doesn't take very long to export, because I'll show you hopefully live how it works. Let's just make this video like really short, just like a couple of minutes long. And then all you need to do when it's ready is go up to the file menu, hit export, do the settings that I said before, and then hit choose where you want it to go. I've just got it going to my desktop. I'm going to call this white relaxing noise. And then we go export. It's going to export my video, and that'll be ready in about 20 seconds. So what you want to do is upload a video to YouTube. I'm going to upload this video. I'm not going to make this public. I'm just going to keep this as private and delete it later. Now what you want to do here is open up another YouTube window. You want to make sure that you have the TubeBuddy extension installed in your browser. TubeBuddy is a suite of extra tools to help people find good keywords and give you SEO and things like that. I use it all the time. I'll leave a link to this to get this in the description as well. But all I want to do is use the keyword explorer. Now I want to type in relaxing white noise, and it's going to give me a keyword score of how easy it's going to be for my video to rank for that keyword. And you can see that is not good. It's in the red. We want to find something that's in the green. The problem with this is that this is too short of a keyword. It's being used by way too many videos, and we have no hope of ever ranking our video even in the top 20 for that. You can see that it's been used in 4.5 million other YouTube videos. So what we want to do is, I always switch from the YouTube to the Google search. We actually want to rank this in Google, and we click on something that has got an extra. So here's one, relaxing white noise, Rain of Thunder. Well, ours is just white noise. So relaxing white noise YouTube. And then that will give us some more suggestions down here. Relaxing white noise YouTube. See, that's a good one that I might use for this video, but let's go channel, and see whether the search gets better and better and better. See, now we're now in the yellow. That's better, but we really want to find something that's in the green. Let's go down a different rabbit hole. Let's go most relaxing white noise. Relaxing white noise 4, and then it will give me a whole heap of, let's try, like what you really want to do is try and get into some kind of a niche. So for dogs or for work or for anxiety. Let's see if it's easy to rank for dogs. So that's a really good keyword to use. It's not perhaps the perfect keyword to use for this particular video, but I'm going to use this as an example. Sometimes I spend half an hour hunting and writing down all the really good ones that are up in the green here, because it's got a high search volume, it's got a lower amount of competition. So I'm going to grab that. And then here's a really good trick. The keyword that you want, the long tail keyword that you want to rank for, you put it as the first thing in your description. You have it as your title, and then you go down here and then you have it as your tags. Another little trick that I like to use is ChatGPT, and I say, write me a SEO dense YouTube description for the title of, and then I put the title in that I've got, which is that. And then that will write me a nice big description with all of those keywords in it that I can use instead of, spending 10-15 minutes trying to write a description, because this really helps your video to rank if there's a lot of the keywords in your description. So I'm going to copy that. See, that can be now my description there. Now, when I go down here, we want to add a bunch more keywords. And you can see that the TubeBuddy plugin has got all of these suggested keywords. I'm going to select, instead of relevance, I'm going to select keyword score and see if it gives me some more really good keywords to use in this video. So with this in mind, you might want to make an entire YouTube channel just dedicated to relaxing sound for dogs. See, that's that you really, on these really popular topics, you can't really go for the top level. There are already YouTube channels with millions and millions of subscribers. You cannot hope to compete with them. Relaxing sounds is the category. White noise is the niche, and then white noise for dogs in particular is the sub niche. Now here's another trick that you can test your keywords that you've selected. Instead of publishing this video, schedule it for the next day and then hit schedule. And then this will actually let TubeBuddy give you your keyword scores. You sometimes have to wait for a minute or two. But when I go back in to edit this video, so it hasn't been published yet, normally you can't see your keyword scores until after you've published your video. So what you'll get if you've been successful is there'll be some green numbers next to the keywords, and that little one there. So this is, I was waiting too long for these scores to update on that one I just uploaded, so I've just jumped over to this one. This is another one of my videos that's gotten 500,000 views. And so the brown noise for 2 hours, you can see that I'm ranking #1 in YouTube when someone types in brown noise 2 hours. And if they just type in brown noise, my video will come up #6. So as many of these numbers that you can get, green numbers next to your keywords, means that you have a really high chance of your video performing well. Sometimes it can take a few months for the videos to start taking off. But if you upload consistently, you should get some videos that start getting views pretty quickly. Also, YouTube have lowered the requirements for monetizing your YouTube down to only 500 subscribers. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to make relaxing white noise and how you can use that to make money online and make some passive income. If you found this content valuable, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.